So when two of the most famous physical therapists on the internet release a new massage gun, you know it's going to get a ton of attention. And I wanted to be one of the first PTs to get my hands on the new massage gun from Bob and Brad because I wanted to give you my unbiased opinion. And just to be fully transparent, I received this as a free product because I review tons of massage guns from all different brands, but I am under no pressure or obligation to say anything positive or negative about this product. This is the Bob and Brad X6 Pro. The thing that sets this gun apart from so many of the other massagers you see in the marketplace is the 3-in-1 system. It's got heating, cooling, and a titanium head to get into that really deep tissue that most of the other massage guns stall out before they even come close to. First, let's talk about the heating and the cooling. As you guys know, heating is great for chronic conditions, long-term injuries. Cooling is great for acute injury, something that just happened. The heating and cooling head is a separate attachment. It comes inside the box. It screws into place. You press one of the two options here on the side. So we have a warm setting. Press it again, it turns red, it's a hot setting. You press the other button and hold. You've got a cool setting, light green is cool. You press it again, it turns cold for a cold setting. Now, when you're just working out, you get home, you want to use this as a post-workout recovery, the cold setting feels amazing because those muscles have been worked out, they're hot, the metabolism is running. We want to cool that tissue down. But if you've got a long-term chronic injury, like I've been dealing with some neck stuff that's been going on for years, I want to flip it on to the hot so that I get that soothing, warm, heating effect that increases circulation and relaxes the muscle fibers. And just like many other massage guns, there's a button on the back. This turns it on. It's got 5 settings or intensities. When I'm using this on upper trap, levator scap, any of these shoulder girdle, neck muscles, it feels amazing. With a 120 watt motor and up to 55 pounds of stall force, you can really get into some of that deep tissue without the massage gun giving out on you. Now let's take a look at the titanium head so that you can see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about this massage gun busting those deep adhesions. Here's the titanium head. Just like the other attachments, it screws in, and if you're wondering, it's got the air-filled bladder rubber attachment. It's got the point-specific attachment. It's got the dual use that goes up and down the spine or goes around bony protuberances. And of course, everybody's all-time favorite, you've got the typical ball that goes on. I love the titanium alloy. This thing is so powerful. You can use it with very light pressure. You could literally just let it glide. So a lot of my patients will come in with IT band pain. Usually they've had knee surgery, hip surgery. And I mean, I can just barely touch the skin and I'm still gonna get that benefit of the percussion massage. But for my bigger athletes, my thicker athletes, we can apply up to 55 pounds of pressure before we hit that stall point. Other massage guns give out way before that. So when you're looking for something either for post-workout recovery or for post-injury or post-surgical recovery, the Bob and Brad is one of the best massage guns on the market. I've used it with several patients in the clinic already. I've been using it on myself. I even use it with my kids at home because I want to put this thing through the paces. The long battery life, the powerful motor, this thing handles everything I can throw at it. And when you put a name like Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet, in their opinion, of course, you know that you've got something you can rely on, something trustworthy. So I just want to say thank you to Bob and Brad. This has been a great tool. I think it's going to help a lot of my patients recover, both in the clinic and at home. And those of you watching, I wish you the best.